Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the update on SLP. Recently, the price of SLP has broken out another down channel. Before that, it broke out this huge falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, and after the breakout, the price and could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously working as support line, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. We got rejection here. And now recently the price informed this smaller down channel that is might be more visible on the daily time frame chart. Therefore, we are moving to the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, since after the first week of December 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And now we have recently broken out this resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this recent breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025. In the video description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Lista, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared a few days ago on 23rd of April 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying down, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here you can see that since after the first week of December 2024, the price on of SLP is moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another rejection here. And finally, the price and broke out the resistance of the channel. And now it is moving towards the next long-term resistance of $0.0021. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0021 has been previously breaking at a very strong support here, and support here, and almost a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. And after that, we will have another major resistance here that will be at $0.003. That was recently breaking at a resistance here for a few weeks. And before that, from the month of June 2022 up till the month of November 2022, it has been breaking at a very, very strong support. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong support for the price line of SLP. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at $0.006. And by the way, this $0.006 has been recently breaking at the resistance here. And before that, was also breaking at the resistance here and resistance here back in the month of August 2022 as well. Now, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, so far, the price line of SLP is not able to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.